everybody, how are you? I hope you all are fine there. So today we are just going to do the fifth part of electronic spreadsheet under CBSE code 402. So let's start with the slides. Now the first thing we are going to do here is, what is a macro? Now macro is a safe sequence of commands or keystrokes that are stored for later use. That means कि जो काम आप बार बार कर रहे हो, जैसे फॉर एग्जाम्पल व्हेन यू आर वर्किंग इन एक्सेल और इन कैल्क स्प्रेडशीट, if you are performing the functions again and again, in that case you can make use of macro. Now let's say for example when you are just adding two numbers, right? When you are adding two numbers, you are just performing the functions is equal to लगाते हो, is equal to b1 plus b2 plus b3 plus b4. Same way you just go on adding the numbers. So similarly, if you want to repeat same action again and again, you can make use of macro in that case. So can define macro as it is a safe sequence of commands or keystrokes that are used for later use. Next thing is the OpenOffice org macro language. It is very flexible, allowing automation of both simple and complex tasks. It is very useful to repeat a task the same way over and over again. Macros are usually written in a language called Star Basic or just the abbreviated Basic. Most tasks in OpenOffice.org are accomplished by dispatching a command. ठीक है? Dispatching a command means sending a command which is intercepted and used. Then the next thing we are just going to see is the dispatch framework. Now the purpose of this dispatch framework, it is to provide a uniform access to components for commands that usually corresponds to menu items. The dispatch framework can also be used to send commands back to the user interface. That means कि जो आप commands देते हो, आप back user interface को भेज सकते हो. The macro recorder records the generated dispatches. So we are just going to see the screen of macro recorder. And in this dialog box, first of all, you have the here my macros first line में. Then second point is OpenOffice.org आपकी लगी हुई है. Then third में you have open documents. Then fourth में you can create the new library. Fifth point में you can create the modules. Then sixth में you just see macros in selected library. यहाँ पर आपकी macros in selected library होगी. Then seventh is a current document you are selecting. ठीक है? So this is a simple screen of macro recorder. So let's see a simple practical on how to create a macro. Now for creating a macro, I have created one sheet, and in the sheet I have written the marks of Sukhmandeep in different subjects like English, Science, Maths, Hindi. ठीक है? And I have written the marks of different subjects. So here I just want to calculate these marks. So what I'll do is I'll just go in Tools. Tools में I have the option macros. I'll click on record macros. ठीक है? So when I'll click on record macros, I'll get a dialog box over here. जैसे यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ stop recording. So first of all, I'll just add up these numbers. I'll put equal sign is equal to, I'll write B2 plus B3 plus B4 plus B5 and press enter key. See, I got the result 260. ठीक है? Now what I'll do is I'll just stop recording. So when I'll stop recording, I'll just get this dialog box. अब इस dialog box में आपके पास यहाँ पर मिल रहा है My Macros, OpenOffice Macros. Don't go here because these are the main ones. So just create your own library. यहाँ पर आपने new library create करनी है. ठीक है? Create your own library. Let's say library 5 you have created. ठीक है? Library 5 you have created and module 1 you have selected. ठीक है? Module 1 you have selected. Write the name of the module over here. Let's say you have written the name here total. ठीक है, इसे सेव कर दो. Just click on save. Now this is saved. ठीक है, module 1 is saved. So go on sheet 2. On sheet 2 also I have taken the name of any other student and I have written the marks scored by Mahesh in different subjects. So again I'll just go in tools. I just want to calculate these marks now. I'll go in tools. Tools में I have macros. I'll click on run macros. Now when I'll click on run macros, I will just get here library 5 जो मैंने पहले create की थी. Just open library 5. Under library 5, click on module 1. So just see here, you're getting this main and total. So just run this and just see here you're getting the total. अपने आप ये total मिल गया. So this is how you can create the macros relating to sheet 1 and sheet 2. So the next thing we are just going to see is how to record the macros using the push button. Now first of all, to make the push button, you just go in view. व्यू में जाकर यू हैव टूल बार्स ऑप्शन. टूल बार ऑप्शन में जस्ट क्लिक ऑन फॉर्म कंट्रोल्स. सो व्हेन यू विल गेट दिस डायलॉग बॉक्स, जस्ट क्लिक हियर डिज़ाइन मोड ऑन एंड ऑफ जो यहाँ पर लिखा हुआ है. जस्ट क्लिक हियर ऑन कर दो डिज़ाइन मोड. सो व्हेन यू विल क्लिक ऑन डिज़ाइन मोड, जस्ट क्लिक हियर ऑन पुश बटन. जब आप पुश बटन पे क्लिक कर लोगे, जस्ट मेक अ पुश बटन ओवर हियर. ठीक है, अब ये पुश बटन इज क्रिएटेड. Now just right click this push button. Now here you have the control option. ठीक है, control option पे click करो. After clicking on control option, just see here you have many events. ठीक है, like approve action, execute action. Now you have to just state कि which action you want to choose. Now let's see, I'm choosing the action over here is mouse button pressed. I'll click here. ठीक है, okay कर दिया. Mouse button press. I'll click on macro here. ठीक है, macro here. Under macro I'll go in your sheet. यहाँ पर I have created library 5. Under library 5 I'll go in module 1 because in module 1 I have created the sheet total. So I'll click here OK. ठीक है, I'll click OK again here. Now I'll go in general. General में जाकर I'll just change the name of the event. I'll write here total. ठीक है, again on the label also I'll change the name total. ठीक है, I'll close it. So when you're pressing this total, so when you're getting this total button, just click to see the changes you're doing. Just change the numbers over here. You will go on getting the total. Let's say you have deleted the total. Just see here, when you'll click over here, you will get the total marks. So this was all about the slides. I hope each and every point is clear to you. So stay safe, stay healthy and happy learning.